Hello there, let's see how to create sub-users in Foloosi Merchant Panel. Firstly, let's understand why it is required to create sub-users. A merchant that signs up to Foloosi to use our online payment services receives access to the Foloosi Merchant Panel. Here, the merchant can create payment links, create invoices, check settlement status, manage customers, payments, etc. from the merchant panel. However, the merchant may also require granting access to the merchant panel to different designated officials in the business, such as a business partner, accountant, developer, analyst, businessperson, salesperson, etc., to utilize the merchant panel as per their respective business needs or requirements. For such provisions, Foloosi enables the merchant to create sub-user access for different officials in the business as per their respective requirements. Now, let's log into the merchant panel and see how sub-users are created. In the merchant dashboard, click on Sub-Users. Here, you will see the previously created and existing list of sub-users. Then, click on Add New User. In the Add New Sub-User section, enter the preferred username, phone number and email ID of the user to whom the access is to be provided. As an example, we will enter the info to create sub-user access for Foloosi Accountant. Next, select the appropriate user type. There are 3 user types, which are normal, accountant and developer. According to the user type, permission to access various sections of the panel will be provided. Let's take developer user type as an example. For a developer user type, we will grant permissions to access API settings and reward settings. Now, to provide sub-user access to an accountant, we will grant permissions to sales transactions, customers and invoices. Lastly, enter a password for the sub-user access to the merchant panel. Once all the sub-user information is updated, click on Save. Now, in the sub-user panel, you will be able to view the sub-user created, and here, you will have the options under the action header to edit and update the sub-user information, or to activate and deactivate the user, or to view the QR code for the sub-user access, or to change the password of the sub-user account. Next, click on the Payments section, and here please note that only the main user, that is the merchant, will be able to view and manage the transactions of all the sub-users. Whereas, for a specific sub-user, as an example, Accountant Foloosi, will only be able to view and manage their own customer transactions. That's it for creating sub-users in Foloosi. Thank you.